Well, it's time for another adventure. This time, we're going to Lake Lure, North Carolina. It's a 9-hour drive up here, but once you get here, it's beautiful. Arrived here in North Carolina. It looks really nice today, but it's already 3 o'clock and I still got to scope out the location where I'm going to go fly out of. There's this hurricane that's just going over Yucatan Peninsula today. Tomorrow is the only sunny day other than this one here in North Carolina. So it's tomorrow morning or never. Taking a closer look at the area, Lake Lure is just southeast of Asheville and slightly northeast of Hendersonville. There's a lot of golf courses. There's a lot of golfers out there too, so I can't just take off from the golf course. I did find this little spot here. Take a look at this. There's no wind either. I gotta keep it straight and get some altitude. Let's see how it goes. The view is fantastic. There's a lot of low-flying clouds on the other side of that ridge. Let me just head right to that rocky ridge that I've been staring at for the last 16 years. I'm surprised I don't see any rock climbers on this. These rocky formations is why they call it Bald Mountain. Let's go down closer to the Rumbling Bald Resort. It's a golf community, pool, nice marina, lots of activities for families. My plan today is to follow the lake all the way to Lake Lure town. Supposedly, they actually flooded a valley, and there's a town at the very bottom of the lake. As soon as this valley got filled with water for the hydroelectric plant down here, lots around the lake started selling like hotcakes. A lot of beautiful homes here. A lot of people know Lake Lure for their location where Dirty Dancing was shot with Patrick Swayze and the movie The Last of the Mohicans with Daniel Day-Lewis. This is the town of Lake Lure right here. It's right next to Chimney Rock. In fact, they're both one town. The Lake Lure Inn, which was built in 1927, is said to be one of America's renowned haunted hotels. I have stayed there, and I can tell you, it is. Let's head to Chimney Rock to see the rock formation. Wow, the closer I get to Chimney Rock, the bumpier the air gets. I figured out that the wind was coming down the lake and it funnels to enter the Chimney Rock Gorge. This was certainly the best day to fly. Let's get back to the LZ. This must be the first time they've ever seen a paramotorist flying around here. Where is that LZ? There it is. Like butter. I might have to bring some friends next time to do this again.